Hi everybody, my name is Olga. I welcome you to my channel Shabby Chic, where I bring old things back to life. If you have a desire to support this video and my channel, please give a like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so more people can see this video. For me personally, thank you. There was an amazing find waiting for me at the flea market, an old dresser from 1940. For $45, I purchased a piece of history. The plan was simple: turn it into a stylish and modern decor element. The first thing I do is remove all the old hardware. Then I start sanding to remove the old varnish. 120 grit sanding discs are perfect for removing the first coat. I don't use coarse particle size discs as they can damage the wood. In hard-to-reach areas, I use sandpaper, also 120 grit. Thus, step by step, I sand all the parts of the dresser, alternating between the sander and hand sanding. Gradually the old varnish came off and the beautiful color of the wood came into view. Look at what beautiful color was hiding behind that old ginger varnish. Now I start sanding the bottom base on which the chest of drawers will stand. Starting work on the dresser top. There were some places on the tabletop where the veneer was bulging. I glued it down with wood glue and a syringe. Then pressed it down with a block of wood and a weighted rod. Removing the dresser doors. Finally, I polished the doors with a 220 grit sanding disc. It adds smoothness. The door feels like silk to the touch. I wiped the dresser from the dust that settled after sanding. Now I need to attach the bottom base to the dresser. I glue it on with wood glue. I prepare the doors of the dresser for painting. First I wipe them with alcohol to degrease the surface. Now I cover them with stain in the shade oak. I soak a sponge with the stain and apply it to the surface. I decided to paint the tabletop in navy blue, and leave the edge of the natural color of wood. For this purpose I tape the edge with painter's tape. Final sanding of the tabletop with a sanding disc fraction 220. I degrease the surface with alcohol. I coat the worktop with primer. I didn't like the doors painted with stain and decided to change the design. So I removed the stain with a 120 sanding disc. I do the final polishing with a 220. Then I coat it with primer. I decided to use a combination of colors. For this purpose I tape and cover with stretch film the places that will be painted in a different color. I begin to apply the paint of my favorite color, navy blue. The paint is dry. I remove the painter's tape. The work is painstaking and slow. It must be done carefully, so as not to break off the paint layer. I cover the center part with stain. I apply the paint to the worktop. After the paint has dried, I carefully remove the painter's tape from the edge. I degrease the sides of the dressers with alcohol. I paint them in the color navy blue. I cover the edge with stain. I paint the bottom base of the dresser in the same color. I insert the shelves. Dilemma: where do the handles look better? Oops. Agree that in the center of the handles look more beautiful than in the upper left corner. I finish with a matte acrylic varnish. My project is complete. The old dresser has been transformed into a stylish and modern piece of decor. I am proud of my work, and I am sure that it will please future customers for many years to come. Thank you for watching to the end. Put likes or dislikes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and I'm off to buy a new old thing.